Hey everybody, welcome back to Dave's Garage 249. I'm Dave. Hey, thanks for joining me. Please enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. And thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. It's really helping the channel grow. So on this particular video, we're looking at mostly the Mobeius model kit. I had a little decaling disaster, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. Clear coat went okay, and how I went about doing that. And we're getting ready for a car show, so I had a sign made to display next to the car, put my channel out there, so enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Decaling disaster on this Mobeius kit. These decals are just super delicate. This, believe it or not, just sat there wet and did this, and when I tried to move it, everything became scrambled. The Plymouth broke in half. The Golden Commandos, I slid it off and it wound up in 3 pieces. I'm not understanding what trick I'm missing on these decals. But that's kind of disappointing. I'd rather have them a little bit thicker and heavier and able to move them off and get them in position without having them break all the pieces and then try to line them back up again. So this side will not get the Hamilton Motors Detroit, Michigan put on there unless I can get another decal sheet from Mobeius. We'll have to find out. But anyways, a little disappointment there when you get down into the final stages. Okay, I think I found the issue. The issue is that when you wet these decal, the paper wants to curl, so that cracks the lacquer on the decal sheet. So I think that I'm having better luck by not allowing the sheet to curl when I get it wet. I just hold it straight until it's thoroughly soaked. So probably my bad, but that still is awful delicate decal. So here's the finished product sign that I made up for the car show that's coming up in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I got some LED lights from Menards. They were on sale for like $1.50. Plugs into USB port. I think it's going to be okay. Tripod is Hobby Lobby. It's like $9, aluminum. I just scotch used 3M tape and passing it. All right, let's put some clear on this thing, see what happens. They gonna use the Tamiya. Seems to work okay. I tested it on this, which is painted with some testers and some different stuff, and it seemed to be fine. So I tacked it all off. It's just stuff seems to be watery, so we're gonna just some people may say, why are you doing over the chrome bumper? Well, it looked to me like assembly-wise, it would be best to just go ahead and clear over the chrome bumper. It's a race car. Logic there is that it was a lot easier to assemble, and that's just the way it is. So stuff tacks up pretty fast, so we'll go again. And we'll let that go for a bit. Be right back. Okay, it's been a few minutes and it's looking pretty good. I don't see any problems so far, so we'll give it another coat. this one a little bit more wet. And we'll call that good for now. Come back, let her set for a few minutes, make sure there's no runs or sags, and take a look. Okay, it's been a little bit, so we'll put on another fairly heavy coat. Lost my light. And we'll call it good, because right now I think I got it about as heavy on there as I want it. It's got a nice gloss to it. Looking pretty good. Didn't mess up the decals. I think we're going to be good. Give it some time to dry and we'll come and check it. Alrighty then. Here's pretty much the finished product. And you can see I did trim out the chrome trim after I cleared the kit. This is what I use. I just decided to try this. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $4. You press right. It's worked pretty good, I would say. It's not as bright and shiny a chrome, but it's easy to control. So all that's left to do now is put the side glass in and then install the body and then put the windshield, the back window on, and the back bumper, and we'll call it good. So next video you'll see that, the finished product. So thanks for watching.